Hello there friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Darcy. This is just a continuation of the video earlier that I did where I showed you the Costco haul, and I had mentioned that I would show you how I prep the fruits and vegetables for the week. So let's get started. Perhaps the main point that I'd like to share is that before the fruits and vegetables are placed in the refrigerator, I soak them first in baking soda and water for 15 minutes, and then I wash them, dry them completely, then put them in the refrigerator. That makes it so much easier later on the week when we're ready to prepare whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Everything is prepped already, and it makes life so much easier. So that's the main thing, and I'll show the process, and then we'll show you the end results as well. First, I'm taking a scoop of baking soda here, pouring it into the water, and then I'm going to be soaking the grapes in this water. So I'll mix it around first, and then I'll put all the grapes in. Before all the fruits and vegetables are put in the refrigerator, they are soaked with baking soda and water in a container here in this bucket, and then rinsed off, dried completely, and then put in containers in the refrigerator. So here we are just soaking these now, then rinsing them off, and of course soaking them in baking soda, rinsing them off, drying them up completely, and put in the containers. This is what it looks like right now. Here are most of the fruits and veggies that have been washed and are drying right now, and will be ready to be put in containers and placed in the refrigerator. So these are the grapes, the blueberries, the strawberries, avocados, and green and red pepper, and the apples. Everything has been washed. First, they were soaked with baking soda in water. These fruits have been washed and dried, and I've taken all the stems off the strawberries, and so now I'm going to pack them in the containers and put them in the refrigerator. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my... As part of the food prep, I've just blended here in the Vitamix some of the ginger that we'll put into jars and then use for tea later on in the week. Ginger tea, that is, later on in the week. So I'll switch that over in just a few more minutes. As you can see also, I have all the peppers, onions, peppers, all cut up, ready to be used later on in the week. And so those are also in the jars. And then I will put those in the refrigerator in just a few more minutes as well. As you can see, all the fruits and veggie are prepped and ready for the week. So this is an overview of what the fridge looks like after I've done my Costco shop this week, and then we're ready for the week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That is if you have not already done so. And if you like organizational videos, we'd love to have you here as part of the group. Again, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Next week will be part 6 in the series. We look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.